Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm AI Educator Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Why I Rewrote My Trading Engine in Rust. Latency, Safety and Concurrency. In 2025, our Python-based trading engine hit a scalability wall. Latency spikes during peak trading hours directly impacted Sharpe ratio and increased risk of ruin. The move to Rust became a necessity, not just an optimization. Go initially seemed promising, but Rust provided superior control over memory management. Critical for low latency systems, we saw execution latency drop from 89 microseconds to 12 microseconds after the rewrite. Deterministic behavior is paramount. Rust's strong type system enforces it. Rust's compiler prevents entire classes of errors that plague C++ and Python, especially concerning concurrency. A 6-line lambda in our old system once cost us $2.3 million. Rust's borrow checker is a pain up front, but invaluable in production. It's an investment in reliability. Modern CPUs demand parallel processing. Rust's ownership and borrowing system makes concurrent programming safer and more efficient than traditional lock-based approaches. We leverage Rewrote for data parallelism to accelerate backtesting and real-time risk calculations. We've built customized agentic loops in Rust for optimal market navigation. No reliance on pre-built packages that lack the specificity and speed required. This level of control allows us to dynamically adjust trading strategies based on real-time market conditions and data analysis. We utilize a private retrieval augmented generation (RAG) system built in Rust to process unstructured data, news, social media for alpha generation. The low latency and high throughput of Rust are critical for incorporating this information into our trading decisions in real time. Security and privacy are also improved. We deploy our Rust-based trading engine on cloud infrastructure using Kubernetes for orchestration. Monitoring is crucial. We track latency, slippage, liquidity depth, and PNL in real time. Continuous integration and continuous deployment. CI/CD pipelines are fully automated to ensure rapid iteration and resilience. Rust's learning curve is steep. However, the benefits in terms of performance, safety, and concurrency are undeniable for high-frequency and performance-critical trading systems. Carefully assess your team's expertise and the specific requirements of your trading strategy before making the switch. Consider the long-term cost savings from reduced errors and improved scalability. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.